SPY just logged $10B plus in large dark pool prints over 3 sessions. Today we'll hit the key levels, how the options money is leaning, and the 5 tickers with the biggest late-day flow. SPY. Start with the tape. Today's largest dark pool cluster sat up near 663, including a $4.8B level that now marks a short-term control zone. Yesterday's $6.6 billion at 659.22 remains the headline, and because we closed above it, I'm treating that as buy-side absorption. Net options flow today leans bearish on future expiries, calls versus puts 0.68, so I'm watching how price reacts between 659 to 663, hold above that band and dips can still get bought, lose it and we likely retest the mid-650s. QQQ. For tech, dark pool activity concentrated around 598 to 600, with the biggest level near 598.34, $1.16B. Options Q on future expiries finished about even, call/put 1.02. That's a show me stance, constructive while we're holding the 598 to 600 shelf, but momentum cools fast if we slip under it. IWM small caps printed several chunky levels, led by $1.83B around 242.98, plus notable size up at 244 to 245. Options Q on future expiries lean bearish, call/put 0.31. For follow-through, I want to see IWM reclaim and hold 243 to 245, otherwise, rallies get faded. 3-day context, SPY across 9/16, 9/18, 9/19, the largest daily levels alone add up to $11B plus, and the broader total is even higher. That's a lot of institutional positioning. The key is whether price can keep closing above those big levels. When it does, I treat the flows as demand. When it can, I respect the risk. Last slide, late day unusual flow. Your closing chart shows the top 5 names by late day contracts after 3 p.m. Late inflows can flag fresh conviction into the close, use it to build tomorrow's watch list, but size positions responsibly and respect catalysts. Game plan. Headline: Dark pool gravity on SPY sits 659 to 663. If we're above, I stay constructive on strength. If we're below, I tighten risk and look for confirmation before adding. For QQQ, 598 to 600 is the pivot. For IWM, bulls need 243 to 245 back in hand. I'll post all charts with levels and totals. Drop a like if this helps, and let's get ready for tomorrow.